Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you this IKEA flame-shaped candelabra-based LED filament bulb. This particular bulb I actually got with a lamp that I picked up at Goodwill recently, and this was in it. So here it is. As you can see, it is dimmable. It is 2.3 watts. It's one of those that has the like 2200K, yep, it even says it there, the very warm color to it. And I was surprised when I first took this out of the lamp. It's actually glass. I thought maybe it'd be plastic or something, being it has a plastic base on it here. The rest would be plastic, but no. It's glass. That's wonderful. The reason I took it out of the lamp is I wasn't a big fan of the color temperature it had and the lamp that it came with. It was one of those standard plastic lamps that you get from IKEA. The reason I picked it up is it was in really good shape, and I never thought of really buying one because I didn't think it was worth the money. But for a couple dollars, why not? Here we go. It must be dimmed all the way. It's kind of unique that they put it way here at the top. Not much going on down here except for the ballasting. Interesting filament LED bulb in general, really, that it has a ballast compartment area. Usually somehow it's all in the bottom here. Well, I suppose in a smaller bulb like this, it's definitely harder to do that. So here, this was their solution to it. Hold it above the table here, about 2 feet. It does a pretty good job lighting stuff up. It does have that warm glow to it. You wouldn't want to really look at it all the time. It is quite bright. It should dim. And indeed it does. It does it kind of quick, actually. I'm trying to get it right before it turns off. No, it doesn't want to, so whatever. Come on. I know it should do it. Anyway, it does dim, not as gracefully as some of the other filament LEDs that are out on the market, but it definitely does it. You do have a dark spot there in the middle, although naturally filament LED bulbs like this do. But other than that, it has pretty nice light distribution. Pretty simple little thing. IKEA seems to do a pretty good job with their light bulbs, especially when they did the Mega Man CFL bulbs. Those are my favorite. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very quick little video of this IKEA. I'm sure it has some elaborate name to it. I'll have to look it up. 2200K candelabra-based flame filament LED bulb. Not bad. Also, please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.